If you're just starting with AI, it can feel overwhelming. But here's the truth, AI tools are everywhere right now, but you don't need all of them. You just need the right ones. ChatGPT helps you think and create. Perplexity helps you research with real sources. Claude is perfect for writing and deep thinking. Canva makes design easy. Leonardo AI creates visuals. Google Gemini connects with your everyday tools. Use CapCut, InVideo, Luma Dream Machine, Kling AI, and 11 Labs to create fast, polished media and stunning videos. Need voiceovers? 11 Labs has you covered. Notion AI keeps your ideas organized. And Grammarly helps you communicate clearly and confidently, while Microsoft Copilot boosts your productivity. Start simple. Pick one tool, use it every day, and watch how your productivity changes. That's how beginners become experts. Here's the truth, AI is no longer optional. It's a tool you need to learn. AI is not about doing everything. It's about doing things faster and smarter. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to speed you up. There are thousands of AI tools out there, but you don't need all of them. If your work feels slow and overwhelming, AI can completely change that. You just need the right one.